The Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker fills your house with the warmth and aroma of freshly baked bread. This bread maker makes a traditional shape 2-pound loaf, along with cake, pizza dough, sourdough starter, jam, or even your own custom creation. To begin, remove the non-stick baking pan from inside the machine and attach the dual kneading blades securely to the rotating shaft. 2 blades ensure thorough mixing and kneading of ingredients for improved baking results. To make bread, pour liquid ingredients such as water or milk into the baking pan, then the flour. Next, add the sugar, dry milk, salt, and butter. To add the yeast, make a small depression in the flour and pour the pre-measured amount into it. Insert the baking pan into the bread maker and use the easy-to-read LCD control panel to make your course selection. The homemade course has 3 programmable memory settings, which allow you to set the knead, rise, and bake times. Select your desired level of crust darkness using the Crust Control button. An optional 13-hour delay timer lets you prepare bread at night and wake up to it freshly baked in the morning. Then press Start to begin. The viewing window allows you to watch the process while it's kneading, rising, and baking. Basic bread is ready in about 3 hours and 45 minutes, while the quick course completes in just a little over 2 hours. Cleanup is a breeze. The removable non-stick baking pan and kneading blades can be washed gently with dish detergent and warm water. And for storing, the recessed handles on the side of the bread maker make it easy to carry. Accessories include a full-color recipe booklet, instructional DVD, measuring cup, and spoon. The technology used in the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker may be new, but the anticipation of eating freshly baked bread never gets old.
Enjoy the delicious taste of freshly baked bread in the convenience of your home with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Bake your favorite breads in under an hour with the Express Bake function. Just add the ingredients, choose your desired setting, add nuts and fruits in the dispenser, and enjoy. With your Oster Bread Maker with Express Bake, you can even prepare cakes, yogurt, and jam. Waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread is now possible with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. From whole grain to French to gluten-free, this bread maker makes it easy for you to create delicious homemade bread without preservatives or trans fats. Operating it is simple. Just add the ingredients, select your baking cycle, and press Start. There are 12 cycles, including dough to make rolls or pizza, cake, jam, and a variety of breads. You can choose from 3 crust settings, light, medium, or dark, and the large digital display makes it easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and load size. You can choose between 2 loaf sizes, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds. There's also a delay timer. Just add the ingredients and begin the baking process later. This way you have hot, fresh bread waiting for you when you wake up in the morning. Perfect for entertaining, too. The non-stick bread pan and 2 kneading paddles are dishwasher safe, and the bread maker comes with recipes to make homemade bread easier than you ever thought possible. The Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker.
loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot bakery fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.